Hey guys, this is the stainless steel glass rinser. Inside the box comes the device plus some clear instruction manuals. Very easy to read, very basic, super easy to install. This is what it looks like installed. Any counter goes through the counter with an inch hole. It looks really nice, high quality steel, little rubber glass support. It turns and it's easy to remove for keeping it clean, wiping it down. Get your dirty cup, place it on there, and when you press down, that's when the water activates, and only when it activates. Nice little pressure jet. Gets all the upper corners of the glass nice and clean. So there you go, guys.
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.